Another state reeling under monsoon mayhem. In Gujarat, over 28 are dead and at least 30,000 displaced in the aftermath of heavy flooding. Homes are wrecked, families in distress, while streets have turned into waterways. The Indian Navy and the Army are pressed into action to avoid further loss of life. Here's a report from flood-ravaged Gujarat.
Gujarat is battered by aftermath of torrential rains. Homes flooded, streets waterlogged, and hundreds stranded. While the rain fury has subsided in a few parts of Gujarat, a flood-like situation continues to plague residents, and over 28 have been killed. In Jamnagar, connectivity has been impacted after a portion of bridge has been washed away due to heavy rain. Over 24,000 people have been rescued by NDRF and SDRF. The gushing water has not just flooded homes, but also increased threat to life for people. In Vadodara, a crocodile washed up to the door of a home. Daily life remains disrupted in the city of Ahmedabad.
अभी देखिए 3 दिन से तो हम लोग नौकरी धंधे पे भी नहीं जा रहे हैं। सब रोज लाके रोज खाने वाले इंसान है।
मैं ऑटो रिक्शा चलाता हूँ, रोज कमाता हूँ, रोज खाता हूँ, बराबर। तो मेरा क्या, जब ये हफ्ते से मेरी रिक्शा बंद है तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, खाएंगे क्या?
Experts have attributed the rain crisis to climate change.
अभी जो गुजरात में भारी से अति भारी बारिश हुई है, बाढ़ जैसी स्थिति बनी हुई है, उसका कारण भी यही है कि जो लो प्रेशर एरिया बंगाल की खाड़ी में बना था, वो धीरे धीरे पश्चिम दिशा में आगे बढ़ता हुआ सशक्त हो गया, डीप डिप्रेशन बना और वो अब गुजरात के सौराष्ट्र और कच्छ के ऊपर है। 24 घंटों के बाद वो मतलब कि आगे बढ़ जाएगा। तो ये एक कह सकते हैं कि ग्लोबल वार्मिंग और क्लाइमेट चेंज का पूरी तरह से असर दिखाई दे रहा है हमारे मानसून के पैटर्न के ऊपर।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in contact with Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel for the second consecutive day to review the situation. Meanwhile, the CM conducted an aerial survey to take stock of the situation in Gujarat.
As you can see, the water that we are standing in, this is what it has receded to now. But despite that, this is the current condition. This is inside Ekta Nagar society of Janglapura in Rajkot. You see the height of the balcony, almost there is where the water levels had reached. And today is the 5th day. For the past 4 days, there have been non-stop incessant rains. And you can see people out here are struggling to wade through this water. There are several residents who have been moved to different relief colonies and have been given temporary accommodation. However, it is also important to understand the fact that several food grains have been destroyed. Nearly about 70 kilo has gone to waste and had to be thrown away. With cameraman Raju Revankar, Dev Kodak for India Today, Rajkot.